This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Prius car key battery. This is a simple DIY task that can save you a trip to the dealership. You will need just a few items: a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery, and of course, your Prius key fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as there are small components involved. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the mechanical emergency key. Slide this key out completely. Next, you will see a small slot where the emergency key was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery. Gently use your flathead screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Pay close attention to how the battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt coin battery and slide it into place, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should snap securely into its holder. With the new battery installed, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the mechanical emergency key back into its slot until it locks into position. Finally, test your newly re-energized key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Toyota Prius. It should now work perfectly, giving you reliable access to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.